Good afternoon, guys. How are you? Welcome back. I got another little unboxing for you. I got something else in from one of the places that I get wood from for my lathe, my shop. Multiple things. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it and see what we got. So let's get this opened up. And let's get this out of here. Get that out of there. And here you go. It's a nice big piece of maple. It's got a lot of... It's got a whole lot of nice green to it. A little bit of spalting in there, and a little bit of everything. So this is going to be really nice. It's 12 by 4. So I'm going to use this to be a salad bowl. And since it's maple, it shouldn't be an issue. So, yeah. I will definitely bring you guys along for this one, because this is going to be a fun one. My lathe will do actually a hair bigger than this one. So, but this one's going to be fun. Unfortunately, almost all this material is going to be gone because, you can't make a bowl leaving the center in. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And when I get to putting this on the lathe and turning it, I'll bring you guys along for the ride. So, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you can get all the new videos that I put up. And hopefully you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.